Good morning, ma'am. I am Benji Daniega, CFM 1A. The article mainly talks about globalization in the Americas settings. This one important point is that also applies in the Philippines is labor migration. Globalization has opened opportunities for Filipinos to work abroad, especially fields like healthcare, constructions, and domestic services. Because of this, millions of Filipinos are now overseas Filipino workers or OFW. This has a huge impact in the country. The remittance they send home strengthen the Philippine economy and help families provide for education, housing, and daily needs. At the same time, globalization allows Filipinos to share their skills and culture across the world, which builds stronger communication between nations. However, globalization has a challenge such as Philippine I know such as family separation and the country dependence on foreign economy. Still, labor migration clearly shows how globalization shaped the Philippines sitting in the way that affect our both our economy and daily lives.